Hey guys, hope you're all doing well today. We're just gonna quickly go over my wheel positions and the trades that I've made on my naked puts or cash secured puts, however you want to put it, in my interactive brokers account. Now, last week, my trade update was very short because there was that volatility in the market that I got caught up in. So today's going to be a little different. I did quite a bit of trades. This is looking from, let's go over here real quick. This is looking from Wednesday, May 19th through the end of Tuesday, May 25th. And started off, right, I'm looking at Palantir. And I haven't done anything with Palantir. I still have two open option positions. I still have 100 shares. My two option positions, one expires May 28th, which is this coming Friday, which is a 1850 put. That should expire worthless, and I'll put another one on. I'll probably close this one on Friday and open another one to expire the next week. My covered call expires June 11th with a strike price of 24. Currently, price is 21.48. Close of business on Tuesday. So we're just sitting and waiting on things to move there. And Rocket, again, I have not done anything. I have two puts that are in the money with an $18 strike that expire this Friday. Don't know. I haven't decided what I'm going to do here. I could roll it out to another month, a month ahead, and get my strike down to $17, and I'd probably, come out even there. Or I can just take the shares at 18. Problem is, call premiums right now on Rocket aren't very good. So at the moment in time right now, I'm leaning toward rolling it out for another month and bringing that strike down to 17. It'll still be in the money, but at least it's closer, right? And then I also have a call with a $20 strike that expires this Friday as well. I might buy that back and then sell another one on top of it. So that's Rocket. It's sitting at 1681, still basically flat on the entire trade. Still good on that note. I spoke about 10-cent music that I'm thinking about cutting it loose, and it's quite a possibility. 10-cent music is starting to show a little bit of strength. It's starting to come up a little bit from its lows, but I'm getting a little impatient here. I've held this now for 5 weeks, and most of y'all know me. I'm not a good buy and hold investor. I don't like holding things this long. It's not a bunch of money. You're talking, I think I got $800, $900 tied up in this. Yeah, well, it says right there, $946 tied up in this, that I can put toward, selling some puts. So we'll see how it goes. And then last but not least are all the cash secured puts, which are technically naked puts in my interactive brokers account. And you'll see I did quite a bit more activity this week than I did last week. So we'll just start from the bottom and work our way up to today. May 19th, which was last Wednesday, I sold one contract on Winnebago with a June 18th expiration at a $60 strike. I collected $1.30 for that one. Now, that means I collected $130 on that one. Now, on Wednesday, I had this BEKE, which is KE Holdings, which is a Chinese real estate company. It was reporting earnings on, I think it was Thursday. And I did not want to participate in that. I didn't like it. I got into this trade knowing that I was selling it at earnings, but I was expecting to get out of it before then, because usually up to earnings, sometimes stocks tend to run up. So I definitely didn't want to play earnings, but I wanted out before. But nothing happened with this stock. It kind of just stayed flat where I had it. So I decided to buy it back. bought it back for 60 cents, essentially basically what I sold it for, and I got a loss, which is basically the commission fees of 62 cents. So that was the only loss I took. That was the only roll that I did for the week. And then Thursday, I made 3 transactions. I bought back my XOP call that you saw from last week. It was a naked call, and I bought it back for 18 cents and profited $20.57. That was basically, I think, a 1-day hold, maybe 2, I forget. But $20 there, made there. And then I sold on May 20th, IWM. That's an ETF, June 18th, 197 put. Sold 1 contract, collected $1.65. Fizz was another one I held that I bought back. I bought it back for 30 cents. I didn't want to hold it to expiration. Made 50% on that for $29.33. Bought back 2 contracts of Snapchat, which was a $50 put. That was expiring May 28th. I did not want to deal with. I was trying to relieve myself of buying power in this time, so as it was still under pressure a bit. So I sold 2 of them at 21 cents, made $82.50 there, which was about, I want to say, 70% profit roughly. Intel, it would have expired worthless, but I don't let my puts expire if I can all help it. Okay, so I was able to buy this back at 1 penny and pretty much collected the entire premium to put. Oh, we're over on to Friday now. So sorry. Overstock.com. I sold a strangle. And what a strangle is selling a cash secured put and a naked call with the same expiration date. So what I did, I sold a $60 put strike for June 18th, collected 95 cents, and then I sold a 110 call with the June 18th expiration for 41 cents, and I still have those on today. And then Friday, last trade I did was Southern Copper, I believe is what it's called, a $60 put, collected 70 cents on that one. Then Monday came around and the market just went up. It just went up, and I took that opportunity to really clear off some rolls that I've had and really freed up some buying power. So if you'll see here, I bought back 2 contracts of Micron that expired May 28th. It was a $75 strike. Realized $90 profit there. I bought back my TAN ETF with a $75 put. Made about 50% there for $45 roughly. Bought back my Vizio $20 put for 30 cents. Realized about $64 in profit there. And then this was the roll. I've been in this ARC position ever since it was like $140 back in like January or February. So I kept rolling it, and I kept going down in strike. Finally got down to a $100 strike, and we had that market shoot up on Monday, and I decided to go ahead and buy the 4 contracts back for 34 cents a piece. Realized profit of $702. Now, I did leave some money on the table closing this position out, but that's okay. I didn't expect, the market to keep running, and I just wanted that buying power back. And the same holds true with Zoom. I had this was a roll from, I believe, the beginning of the month, and I rolled 1 contract into 2, and so I was able to buy these back for $1.50. Realized $1,100 in profit there. Again, I left a couple $100 on the table there, but this freed up, just between Zoom and ARC, it freed up almost like 40% of my buying power. So that was real critical there. So then I turned around and started spending some. I put on the TAN ETF again. I went down to $67 put to July 2nd, collected $1 there. I sold a June 25th 35 put on Camping World, collected 85 cents there. And then I sold two ARK-K ETFs puts out to June 25th at the $85 strike, collected 55 cents each on both of those. And then I sold, of course, I sold Viacom right when Amazon starts messing with media. I sold two contracts July 2nd, $35 put, collected 48 cents on each of those. And then I went against my rules, and this morning I sold a pretty much at the money Disc A, the Discovery company that AT&T is selling off their Warner Media to. June 18th strike, 30 put, collected $75 there. And then I also bought back that IWM put for $197 that I sold on last Thursday. So today, Tuesday, so 4 days, I bought it back for 63 cents and realized profit of $100. So that's not bad, because that's right here. May 20th, I sold it, collected $1.65, and I bought it back for 63 cents 4 days later. And then I also sold, because I have a bunch of, like I said, I have a bunch of buying power because of these Zoom and ARCs that I got let go of. I sold a Penn National Gaming, June 25th strike, date, 65 strike, collected 82 cents on that one. I sold two Oxy, June 25th, 22 puts, collected 48 cents a piece on that one. And then I sold another IWM, and I went out to June 30th this time, 198 strike, and I collected $1.27 on that one. So lots of busyness this week. You know, that Monday up week really helped me, and it's gotten me relieved. I'm like 25% buying power usage at the moment. So I still have a lot of room, but I'm trying to play it slow, trying to play it smart. The Viacom Disc A probably wasn't extremely smart, but that's neither here nor there. It's done. I'll manage those positions as I need. So those are the trades that I've done this week. That's what Palantir Rocket looks like and all that. I hope you got something out of this. I'm trying to explain why I'm going to need to try to start explaining why I'm getting into some of these positions, and hopefully get better at making some of these videos for you guys. So if you have any questions, please leave them down below. Like, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and we will talk to you later. Thanks. Bye-bye. I am not a financial advisor. The information contained in this video is for entertainment and informational purposes only. It is not intended to be investment advice. Please seek a licensed professional for any investment, tax, or legal advice. Thank you.